Goose here, Bad Gaming, coming at you with Paru for some duos. I want to give our viewers a reminder, this channel started with the goal of having 1.0 KD by Halloween, and we are on track, believe it or not. We are at 0.9 all the way up from 0.6, and we've got 13 more days. So just got to rifle off a couple big...
Hey, so that's what TiT Goose is doing here is a backhanded way of telling me he doesn't want to play my other games. He just wants.
No,
to
I've just
play
maintained that
Call of
after
Duty.
October 31st, I'll play any game you want.
But this is for Halloween, right? We would play.
Oh yeah, well,
we
played We're playing Among Us later. We play Dungeons and Dragons. You know, I play games. That's what the channel's about. We play games, man. We just don't do it well.
Right.
All right, pick your guy. We're gonna go.
I do it well. Somebody doesn't. Okay.
Sure.
Drop now. And follow. Not that guy. That guy right there. He's pretty close to the ground. So let's go for his other partner right there. Oh my goodness. Oh shit!
No, don't give me up. He's coming. How did he get up there that fast?
I couldn't take him by myself. He had an actual gun. So your comment of not getting you up was...
That's fine. That's all good. I mean, I agree. Well, the only other thing could have been is that he was going to reload that because he lit up us with the entire clip. So
yeah, those submachine guns have like 64 bullets, so... Some of them do. Some of them only have 32. Some of them only have
32, 40. It's very rare 64.
Oh, 64 is a common gun. Yeah, 64. Yeah, well, that's very common machine gun. C64.
He had a 40 clipper.
Okay, well, I mean, that's still...
Nice work.
Thank you.
You win this fight and you return to the front line, but if you lose, you're done.
There is...
What? He said, what?
Okay.
Wow, that's a...
Yeah, it's not supposed to say those things. I'm going to report him for slander.
It's, let's drop here.
Yeah, grab it. Go ahead. I got it.
Get that contract. Wow. We say... Alright.
Oh, yeah. Bro. It was...
Yeah, that's not cool. You know, even if we're quoting stuff.
What if you're rapping?
Yeah, I think even if you're rapping, you know, I think even if you're rapping, right?
Sure. No problem.
I'm not a
He
big
was
fan
pissed.
of...
You call...
Oh.
You just moved to the next one. Yeah, he had a 32 bullet Uzi, bro. But it's fine. I mean, we were in a bad position. We didn't... I don't know how he got up on the roof so fast is what I'm saying.
I don't know.
Oh shit, do you see him?
See who?
It said enemy dropping into the AO.
Did it?
Yeah, it did.
I don't see him. It didn't give me that message, so...
It's been looted. Shield.
Updated. Move to the next location.
There's some good guns there.
Enemy movement.
Alright, this last one is worth a lot of armor.
They came through here. Check for targets.
Drop me 4 armor, please.
All supply boxes located.
Here's my money.
Okay.
Let's go to a buy center. Let's go that
There
one.
is a vendor if you need supplies.
Yeah. A lot of people who play games, though, they just, I'm not saying all people, and I'm not even saying most people, but I hear more people than I'm comfortable with tossing out that word. Oh, yeah. Yeah, there's...
Do we want to take it?
Yeah, sure. But let's get in a better position to actually take it.
There they are.
Enemy there.
We'll get the one guy.
Okay.
Enemy there.
Yeah, that was a bad shot.
Just get in the car and get the...
Nah. God dang it. Ah! Why? You goosed him. You goosed him. You goosed it hardcore. It's so frustrating. I'm down. Thanks. Yeah, no, I'm dead. Don't come back to me. Don't come back to me. I'm dead.
Gotta get your money, though.
Yeah, I guess. You took a shot with no chance of a kill as he was going into the house, and then
Where did you die?
right next to that.
They're getting shot at by somebody else.
I'll drive. Let's go.
Gas is gonna get them.
Start hoofing up for sure.
I goosed them, bro.
Yeah, I know. I saw you goose them, and I'm like, come on, and you gave away our position, right?
Yeah.
By getting in like one hit for like maybe 25
Can you
damage.
pick a buy station, please?
No, I don't want to come back to this game.
Oh no! Oh!
There's one right there.
I see that. Oh my goodness.
Box there too, which I'm gonna grab.
There's a gun here.
Assault rifle here.
Alright, oh, sometimes there's shit in this plane, so.
Okay.
Oh, okay, I guess you're grabbing the box. And the AR ammo that was very likely inside.
Was there?
Usually.
Here. I'm gonna give you an armor.
Friendly drop back on the way.
Well,
Here's an extra armor.
fine. Where'd you drop it at?
Right there.
You've got gas inbound. Safe zone relocated.
Did somebody take just a pot shot at us?
Yeah.
Enemy UAV overhead.
Oh no, they bought a loadout over there.
Enemies close.
Alright, careful.
I see 2 boxes and
Oh,
somebody already grabbed
there he
those.
is. This is red value. Oh no. No, I released the stupid crow.
Well, you're gonna have to buy me back at the same buy center,
There is an aid station here.
please, so I can get my loadout in 40 seconds. Oh, never mind, there's a guy. On this building, it seemed to spot a loadout.
I'm going this way.
Yeah, I know. I'm gonna have to figure something out. Rock between me and the guy that I know is on top of the hill. Headed toward that yellow house right now is my current plan. I'm gonna take this way to put as many objects between myself and that team as possible. There's a helicopter right above me that has not escaped my notice.
There is an aid station here.
Okay.
That's the closest one, unless you want to go all the way to the TV station.
Alright, I'll probably go for that one.
TV station?
No, not the TV station. The one you pinged. So up these rocks. Okay.
There's the guys on the big roof shooting down at the
Hey,
burger sack shack.
Okay. Try to bring you back. Going inside this house immediately.
Yeah, I'm coming to you.
Legendary assault rifle. In the house that I'm in. And I have a munitions box that I can drop for you.
I would wait to drop it until I actually have 2 weapons that I want.
Pick up the no. Well, all right. Pick up the assault rifle, and I'm dropping a munitions box.
Okay.
Enemy UAV overhead.
Because what's going to happen is we're going to be in a firefight. You're going to run out of AR ammo.
Do you have any extra ammo or plates or 200 gold for me? So I can get my own.
Somebody just took a shot at us with a sniper rifle. Get into the top floors here. Yeah, I have a plate, and I have the extra gold, of course.
Alright.
Somebody took a shot at us, remember, so taking your life into your own hands, going outside like that.
I was able to do it.
Cool.
Yeah, how much armor do you have?
1.
Here. Well, I'm giving away our position, so
I guess,
I have Ghost. I don't have Ghost.
that's fine.
Do you want to break for it now,
Does anyone need it?
while there's no other team, where the other 2 teams are fighting? I think we do, personally.
Alright, fine. That's what we'll do then. Because what's going to happen is I'm going to say, I don't know, and then you're going to just go out of the house and run
Fire
anyway.
sale, free buy,
Adjusted.
free self revives.
Yeah, let's go get those. This is going to be hot really soon.
Enemy UAV
You know what? I'm going to drop a claymore by it.
Yeah, sure. Do we want to camp it?
No.
We could see people running up on it, no? Okay.
Alright, fine, I guess. But I don't have a weapon that can hit long range.
Alright,
so
then let's just move to that contract.
I got somebody. Somebody just got cracked by my claymore.
Nice. So now we gotta know everyone has self-revives, so you have to finish kills.
inbound. Safe zone
Can't
relocated.
use people as bait.
Right. Careful with that window busting shit. We've probably got some people in here.
Probably.
Supply cache located. Move to secure.
I want to get as much gold as I quickly can.
But there was an open window right next to it, though.
Next objective
I had to go around if I did it that way. There's a mine here. I'll just take it for now. Let's go to our next contract.
Claymores are better
This way
anyway.
over
I've come
here.
to the conclusion that claymores are better.
Enemy UAV overhead. Fire sales done. Prices are back to normal.
We're gonna have to.
You have a heartbeat sensor? Is there anything on there?
I mean, until we get 40 meters, and no.
It goes up to 50 meters.
You're losing ground. Next objective located.
Is there a buy center around here so we can go buy a fucking loadout?
I don't know.
I drop my armor.
Complete. All supply
Take a
boxes.
look.
Hey, found the vendor.
There's
Stock up.
one right there.
Alright, let's go do it. There's the armor, grab that.
I have spare body armor here.
I have that. I have max armor.
Okay. Give me 2K.
Enemy UAV overhead.
Careful.
Yep.
Don't just go running out into the open here. We gotta be cautious. We gotta keep watch behind us. There's a box in the tent, so I don't think we have to worry too much about the immediate area.
Friendly drop back out the way.
Okay.
I have ghosts now. Oh, let's just get in the better building.
Okay.
Just this one.
Okay, going here.
Certainly has more doors.
Yeah, but it has better windows. Both have self-revives. Do you want to run out and grab us a precision strike?
Not particularly, because I'm scared of that buy center now.
Okay, it's fine. I don't see anyone. Alright, can you cover me from that window right here?
Cover you in what respect?
This window.
Yeah. Okay. What do you want me to do? I can't see the buy center from here.
It's fine.
Okay. Is it hard to cover you?
Alright, I got it. Here comes a car.
Huh? They're not anywhere close to us.
No. I've done more damage, but you got the kills this time.
Sometimes it works out like that. You've done slightly more damage, but yes, I do have a disproportionate number of kills to the number of damage that I've done.
Gas is closing in. Relocating the safe zone.
Well, we can move now, or we can hold the position and fuck people up as they run through here. You make the call. I'm going to give the options, you make the call.
People are gonna try for that buy center. They're gonna be approaching from our northwest. But then again, why make more trouble for ourselves than we have to? Yeah, let's head out.
Okay, run it.
Get into position. Especially since the last gas looks like it's gonna be around the stadium or thereabouts. Don't want to be caught running into the stadium. It's like some
Get into this building.
Moving in.
with
It's got a
stragglers.
buy center near it as well.
Okay. There's some
There's
high
a guy.
ground
I just
behind
saw a
it.
guy.
Enemies
UAV
close.
overhead.
Okay.
There they are.
I see one.
Gas is inbound.
Ready, 1, 2, 3.
No, I'm not. I don't see them.
It's on the ping.
Oh.
We're in the circle. Not alone.
Down. Armor back up.
Let's move.
Yep.
Enemy precision airstrike. Get down.
Shit. Precision airstrike. That's not good.
Killed him. Team wipe.
Oh no.
Cover me while I go armor back up. Their loot. Oh, there's a guy on the roof.
Oh, yep. Damn it, you got me.
I've been hit.
I don't want to use my self-revive.
Don't.
Close the door.
I am
Close the door
trying.
and
I'm
get me
trying.
up.
I'm trying.
You have to get up.
I downed him. With my airstrike.
Gonna armor back up twice.
Throwing grenade.
Enemy UAV overhead.
There's another team on the left here firing at him.
I've been hit.
Shit, they're behind. They're behind the warehouse. So directly to
Kill
our
confirmed.
northeast.
How much extra armor do you have? None?
None. start closing these doors.
I know, I want to get armor.
Enemy UAV overhead.
There's a guy.
Shit.
Killed him.
Enemy movement. Wait,
Downed.
cancel that.
But no kill confirmed. He's behind this rock.
Enemy movement.
Where are they shooting you from?
No idea. To the right,
Relocating the safe
by
zone.
the truck.
Final deployment is ready. The window's closing fast.
Okay.
There's a guy over in that direction.
Yeah, I
can't
see
get
him.
a great- Oh, yeah, he's running. He's running to get his partner up. Okay, come on. Let's. Gas is coming in. There's people to our left. We're just gonna have to. If we. Oh, nice. What's that?
We could run all the way left towards the gas and in.
There's somebody to the left, so yeah, that's fine. But just be cognizant. Yeah, left. Oh, he's on the roof.
Enemy contact.
Hold him. Let's just hold him.
25 remaining.
Move, gas. I got you covered.
Oh, there he is.
Enemy contact.
Nice
Down,
job,
team
dude.
wipe.
Nice work. Here, I have armor for you.
No, I got armor. Okay.
It's fine. You need one more?
I have one extra.
Okay. Let's just get into the
Look
stadium.
to our left.
Yeah, I see the sniper up there.
All right, into the stadium.
Yeah.
Zigzag. They're shooting at us. Come on, Tommen. Fucking zigzag, Tommen.
It's covering you.
Gas is inbound. Marching to the safe zone.
All right, let's get in.
Oh shit.
Team wipe. Team wipe.
Your footsteps. Okay, there. Oh, those are the guys that were upstairs sniping us.
All right. Let's just stay underneath them.
Yeah.
We'll wait for them to move, and then we'll.
Oh, there he is. The kill, but his partner might be around, so
Yeah, he's right here.
I'm reloading.
Team wipe.
Job, do you have extra armor?
Yeah,
or-
here.
No? Well, let me go get that guy's. Actually, that guy does. Oh, no,
I
he
grabbed
only
his
had one.
stuff. I ran behind him.
Okay.
There's a
He had
guy
a precision. He had a precision airstrike. Where's he at? Oh,
right here.
down.
10 to go.
Eliminated. Do you have that extra armor for me or no? Oh, he has a satchel, doesn't he?
Yeah.
I'll take it.
There's another guy over there
I'm
somewhere.
going this way.
We're safe here.
You've got gas inbound. Safe zone relocated.
There's a guy below that railing to the left. I don't know where he ran off to, but then his friend popped up and I fucked him up. That's who you just looted.
Here's sniper bolts
Yeah.
being fired.
There's still somebody definitely on this roof, so we have to decide. We're just gonna move in with the gas slowly. Let's go to this red tent.
I'm going this way.
Okay.
You cover right, I cover left.
Alright, I will cover right as
We're gonna
best
move in
as I
with
can.
the gas. There they go.
Oh, there they go.
Gotta get
Hold on.
safe. Move to the circle.
Allied precision airstrike incoming. Beware.
Down one with a grenade.
There he is.
Team wipe.
Team wipe.
Got no heartbeats.
Okay. Oh, there's an explosion under the bridge.
I see.
5 remain.
I got a live ping on one.
Okay.
Cracked one.
I don't see them. I have the wrong angle, clearly.
There they go.
Oh, there he is.
Enemies close.
It's the last 2 squads
Reloading.
here. It's him, just him.
Reloading.
Gas is
Um,
New safe zone located.
I'll watch top. There he is.
Gas is moving.
He's up top. I'm gonna revive myself. Go for it.
Win! Honey Badger. Motherfuckers!
Yes. Got it done. It's a
And
shame.
we got 10 kills on the Titty Goose! That's a fucking real Honey Badger!
Yeah. I'm gonna have to edit out a portion of it, but you know.
I mean,
Just,
they'll hear it. I have to edit out both portions, I guess, yeah?
Yeah. Yeah. Because we'll hear my, that was a bit of a rant. It's a shame.
No, I'll just I'll put the goose in there.
Alright, I just want to see the glory of this, as
Yeah.
it tells me how much experience that I got. 22,000, nice.
Yeah,
10
well,
kills,
good game,
7
boys.
kills for me.